Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Today guys, I'm here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information about Luxmore Realty reviews. So guys, are you ready to enhance your knowledge? For that, you need to stay tuned with me, watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, one question for all of you. You are dreaming to get something big? If yes, you can check it out at Luxmore Realty. They say dreams begin here at Luxmore Realty. Be at home with diversity, reach higher, and own your future. You can easily search by city, your area, your postal code, or your MLS number. On behalf of Luxmore Realty, the team members have apologies to the experience that their client are facing because of the real estate agent. They understand the problems and they are responsible for the irresponsibility and unprofessional behavior during the last some days the people are facing because of their website. So when we talk about the site, it deals in selling, home, buying. In selling, this states that every step of the way is that you need to remember they are working for you every step of the way to make sure that you get the highest possible price for your home in the shortest period of time. If you wanted to locating the perfect home, then as per the reports, the website says that they are helping you at every step. When you're purchasing a home, you are facing so much of problems due to multitude of decisions together. You will sort it out the problem with them. So, as per their featured listing is concerned, you will get to home with the Bridge Houseway, Chatsworth Road, many location, Connaught Drive, Avenue West, and there are many options available for you. You just need to write your address where you want to find the way, or you write your location where you're seeking the home or where you want to buy or sell. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, if you're ready to buy or sell your home, join the ranks as a top producing real estate professionals at there. One of the Canada's most cosmopolitan real estate companies is this. You can easily join them. The Luxmore Reality, you can contact them on 3076 Archbus St. Vecchionor, BC, 11111 Horseshoe Way, Richmond, BC. And these are powered by myrealpage.com. So guys, yes, as per the latest news, within the past 90 days, there are 28 listings were sold. Currently, 28 listings are for sold. Based on the sold data, these represent 3 months of inventory on the market today. A balanced market is defined as having 5 to 7 months of inventory, while a seller market has less than 5 months of inventory and a buyer market has more than 7 months of inventory as per the reports on luxmorerealty.com. Total for sold is 14 and for active is 37, the average days on the market. If you wanted to view recent sold prices, average asking prices, how fast are homes selling, is it a buyer or seller market, you can check it out on their website or on their Facebook or Instagram pages. You will going to get all the market insights and then you can buy home or sell your home. Just see the location which is suitable to you in their websites and just write your location, your city name and the address and postal address, and you can easily sell and buy your home at your own customized pricing. Just check it out the pricing and compare it with other dealers and then do and coordinate with them as per your convenience. So guys, yes, if you liked our information and found it helpful, do like, share, comment, and for the latest news like this and updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for being such a warm audience. Have a nice day, be safe and be informed.